Machiavellian is Illuminati, all through your body. The blows like a 12-gauge shot at feel me? And God said he should send his one begotten son to lead the wild into the ways of the man. Follow me. I ain't a killer, but don't push me. Revenge is like the sweetest joy next to getting pussy. Picture paragraphs unloaded, wise words being quoted. Beat the weakness in the rap game and sold it. Bow down, pray to God, hoping that he's listening. Seeing niggas coming for me, my diamonds when they glisten. Now pay attention, rest in peace, father. I'm a ghost, who's killing fields, Hail Mary. If I go, let's go deep inside the solitary mind of a madman. Screams in the dark, evil lurks, enemies see me bleed. Activate my hate, let it break till the flame section. Empty out my clip, never stop to aim. Some say the game is all corrupted, fucked in this shit. Stuck, niggas lucky if we bust out this shit. Plus, mama told me never stop until I bust a nut. Fuck the world if they can't adjust. It's just as well, Hail Mary with me. Hail Mary, nigga, run quick, see what we have here now. You wanna ride or die? La da 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 da. Come with me. Hail Mary, nigga, run quick, see what we have here now. Wanna ride or die? La da 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 da. Penitentiaries is back with promise makers. Never realized the precious time that bitch niggas is wasting. Institutionalized, I live my life a product made to crumble. Muscle and feel this when they turn out the lights. I'll be there in the dark, the love eternal through my heart. Now Hail Mary, nigga, come with me. Hail Mary, nigga, run quick, see what do we have here now? Do you wanna ride or die? La da 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 da. Come with me. Hail Mary, nigga, run quick, see what do we have here now? Do you wanna ride or die? La da 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 da.
They got an APB out on my thug family. Since outlaws run these streets like these scandalous freaks. Our enemies done now, walk around half dead, head down. K blasted off a hand and see your tie. Tronic mixed it, now I'm twisted, blistered and high. Business of me, thug living, getting me by, forever live. And I multiply, survive by thugs. When I die, they won't cry unless they coming with slugs.
Peep the whole scene and whatever's going on around me. Brain kinda cloudy, smoked out, feeling rowdy, ready to wet the party up. And whoever in that motherfucker, nasty new street slugger, my heat, seat suckers on the regular, mashing in a stolen black act. Integra, cock back, zicky seconds to the jaw, that's when I'm dead and your feet hurt. You got a nice gab, but my heat swerves from a thug to preaching church. I gave you love, now you eating dirt, needing work. And I ain't the nigga to put you on, cause word is born. When I was broke, I had to hustle till dawn, that's when the sun came up. It's only one way up, hold your head, stay up. To all my niggas, get your pay your weight up.
If it's on, then it's on. We break beat breaks, outlaws on the paper chase hand. You relate to the shit I don't got, be the shit I gotta take. Dealing